Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's task, configure a local yum repository on the Nautilus backup server. The requirement is to set up a local yum repo using the packages stored at packages_RPMS, then install the wget package from this repo. First step, let's log into the required server. I'm SSH into the backup server using the user Clint. Since modifying repository files requires administrative privileges, I'm going to switch to the root user immediately. First, I verify whether the local directory already has repository metadata. I see repo data, so I don't need to run create repo. We need to create a new repo file in etc yum.repos.d. I'll name it localyum.repo to match the task requirement. Let's add the configuration. Local yum is the repository ID. Name is just a descriptive label. Base URL is the most important part. Since this is local, we use file / followed by the path. Note the 3 slashes. Set enabled equals 1 to turn it on. And gpgcheck equals 0, since these are local trusted packages. Once that looks correct, we save and quit the file. Now, we need to tell the system to recognize the new file. Run yum clean all to flush the cache. Next, run yum repolist. If we configured it correctly, we should see local yum appear in this list with the status showing the number of packages. Perfect! It's listed right there. The final requirement of the task is to install the wget package from this new repo. The installation is successful. Let's check the task. Okay, the task is complete. If you enjoyed this step-by-step Linux task video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily DevOps challenges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.